Hi guys, welcome to my another vlog. Today I'm going to discuss about what is marine engineering. For me, like I'm also a marine engineering, so I'm going to share about you my knowledge about marine engineering, and um, I will share a bit of my knowledge. So, what are we waiting for? For further ado, let's continue our topic about marine engineering. But before that, please like, subscribe, and follow my YouTube account. Click that button in here and let's continue now. So, what is marine engineering? When you look a massive cargo ship, luxurious course liner, or powerful naval ship cutting through waves, we often admire their size um, and design. However, what truly brings these giants to life is hidden beneath the deck within the engine room. So, paano naman yun aandar nga? Kasi it's like the heart of the ship is the engine room. This is the world of marine engineering, a specialized field that combines mechanical, electrical, and electronic engineering to keep the maritime industry moving. It's also a profession that is challenging as it is rewarding, serving as lateral backbone to a globe trade and transportation. So let's that is the backbone of marine engineering. So what is marine engineering? Marine engineering, it is a core. Marine engineering involves the design, structure, installation, operation, and maintenance of a system that machinery that propel ship and support life board. So marine engineers are responsible for everything from the main propulsion engines that driven the ships forward to the auxiliary system that generate electricity, um, purify water, um, handle the sewage, and manage heat and air conditioning. Unlike land-based engineering, this field requires a deep understanding of how systems behave in a dynamic, moving environment. Engineer must ensure that every piece of um, the equipment can withstand a harsh condition like um, uh, very high typhoon in the middle of the sea, like that, including saltwater corrosion on the pa extreme temperature and heavy vibration. It is discipline that demand precision, reliability, and safety above all else. That is the marine engineering. So the scope of work of marine engineering um, is vast and varied. It covers several key areas. First, the propulsion system. Managing the main engine, which can range from traditional diesel engine from modern steam burned or gas turbines. Two is the second of the scope of work is the electrical system, overseeing generation, switchboard, and distribute the power through vessel. So the electrical system is the more like a kasureko, the main power of the ship. That is the electrical system. The auxiliary machinery naman is handling pumps, compressors, refrigeration units, and steering system. And lastly, the safety and environments, ensuring all equipments meet international standards and pollution prevention systems such as sewage treatment, plant and oil system separations function correctly. Whether working on a shipyard, design new vessel, or serving a new crew member on board ship at sea, marine engineering are problem solver. They must be capable of troubleshooting complex issues quickly, often with limited sources, to ensure the safety of the crew and the protection of the maritime environment. So why it is matters? Marine engineering is vital to the global economy. It is estimated that over 90% of the world trade is carried by sea. Without the expertise of marine engineers, the transportation of food, fuel, raw materials, and finished goods would come a halt. They ensure the ships are efficient, reducing fuel consumption and environmental impact, while also making maritime travel safe for passage and crew. Furthermore, also the world shifts toward greener technologies. The role of maritime engineers is involved. There is growing demand of professionals who can develop and operate eco-friendly engines, utilize alternative fuels, and design vessels that minimize the carbon footprint. A career of adventure and skill. Choosing a career in maritime engineering means choosing a life of discipline and adventure, of offer of unique opportunity to travel the world, see different countries, high salary, and work with cutting edge technologies. It requires individuals who are technically sound, physically fit, and capable of working a part of isolated environments such as the marine engineering. So, if you think marine engineering is a very light job, no, because marine engineers are the blood of the ships. If the main engine is the heart of the ship, there are the blood who still pumping the heart. We are the blood of the ship. Are the one who fix and monitoring to continue the engine to work efficiently. That is the purpose of marine engineering. So marine engineering is very crucial. So that is the purpose, and that is marine engineering. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe of my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.